This is April 13th. This is about quick pulse. This is an after video of the hall cleaning. Just really want to show everything with the rudders. Just want to make sure there was a lot of algae on it and there was some mist last time. So I just want to show this now. I just want to show there that all the algae is basically gone. There's just those little tiny bits that you can rub, but all the algae actually is gone. Let's show this one too. With everything now. Okay, just really want to show off the boat, try to show everywhere that it's all clean, got everything I could, very white now. Here's the water line too. Now there is still some little bits. Little fuzz here and there, but really everything's gone. I'll show this area up All right, thank you.